Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're taking the B24KM up the trail.
So for anyone that's wondering, this is the top speed on the WPL dual speed. Yeah, not too fast, not too slow. Let's do top speed in low gear. And it's just top speed in low gear. Pinned! Just finished the boring footpath. Before we get into the tricky stuff, let's have a quick chat about my setup. So we got the B24KM, and I've got the Res 3 unit installed in it. And I put it where the battery usually goes, if you can see that in there. So yeah, nice and easy to install. I then have the battery hidden inside a nice little WPL box there in the back there, if you can see that, guys. And yeah, recently just got the rear canopy for it. Really impressed with the quality of this. Yeah, it's nice thick quality material. Even got the bungee straps down the side. And yeah, like I said, we've got the KM, so metal axle housings, metal drive shafts, dual speed, wheel weights, and yeah, this is a heavy little bus. So yeah, enough chatting. Let's hit the trail. There we go, dual speed, so nice and easy. And now we're getting to the tricky stuff. Click it down into first. I know we can proper take our time and just let the truck do its work. Really nice control. It's nice to see those leaf springs in action, wallowing about with all that weight from KM. The control from the dual speed. Take your time on these parts of the trail. We're going to get out the other side. Like a little bus. Awesome. Really impressed with this little setup, guys. The Res 3, amazing control, dual speed, yep, best of both worlds. And yeah, lots of weight there. No fear of toppling. Yeah, highly rate these KM kits, guys. As you know, the B24 is my favourite. And yeah, this thing looks the part out on the trail now, especially with our new rear canopy. What an awesome little truck. Amazing how slow you can go with the control of that. Highly recommend the Res 3, guys. Yeah, it's eating the jungle up, guys, eating the jungle up. Come on, B, all the way. Yes. Hey, sorry, B. So at the moment, the trail's pretty easy, guys. Let me quickly pan out and show you. Yeah, just a nice casual little path. So in second gear, yeah, really liking the best of both worlds, like I keep saying. We're a bit overgrown, yeah? Put it in low gear for a bit more torque. Can we get through the jungle, honestly, guys? It is overgrown to say the least. Oh, like a tractor, guys. Straight through. Awesome. Hey, honestly, guys, I had a blast today out on the trail with old Blue. Yeah, amazing control, and yeah, out on the trail in general, this thing feels awesome. And yeah, as always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.